Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at the top of Mountain View Avenue and we're heading towards Manning's Hill Road, not Manning's Hill Road, heading towards the airport. So if you're traveling from Kingston to the Manley International Airport, this is the route you would have to take. Also, if you're traveling to Harborview, this is the route you'd have to take. So this is Mountain View Avenue. It's a dual carriageway. It's one of the main roads in Jamaica. Very important road because it leads to the airport. And also you have a lot of communities off Mountain View Avenue. Also the National Stadium, where we started the video on the right, that's the National Stadium. On the left, coming up, is the National Jamaica Rifle Association. On the right is Nannyville. That's named after the national hero Nanny, or the Maroons. So because there's only one international airport in Kingston, and that's the Manley International Airport. Okay, that's the Excelsior Community College on the right, and then beside it, where you see the second gate, that's the Excelsior High School. Okay, so there's only one international airport in Kingston. That means if you're flying into or out of Jamaica, this is where you have to drive to get to the airport. So this is a very important road in the Jamaica, especially the city of Kingston. So every effort has to be made to keep this road usable, basically. It can't be blocked, it can't have any sort, if there's an accident, they have to clear it quickly. And you would think the road would be better maintained than this because it's so important. But it's not. Surprisingly to even me, and I live in Jamaica, I would think this road would be in a better condition. Once on the Palisades Strip, they had a party. Not sure who gave permission or if they even got permission, but they had a party and the persons blocked the road because there is a lot of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. So persons just park anywhere, and basically the road was blocked because of the party, the traffic for the party. Persons could not get to their flights. It was a major problem. I don't think persons are allowed to have parties along the Palisades Strip anymore because of that incident. And also in the second international airport is in Montego Bay, and that one is used mostly by tourists because it's on the north coast of Jamaica. The one in Kingston is used mostly by persons living in Jamaica. They had a party at a place called Pearly Beach, just outside Ocho Rios. Same thing happened again. Persons parked, police were unable to maintain law and order, and persons parked and blocked the road. And as a result, persons ended up missing a flight because that's the main road that connects the entire north coast of Jamaica to Montego Bay. Same thing happened again. The road was blocked and they missed a flight. So I don't think, and the same thing happened, police were unable to control the roadways. Well, this road has quite a few police stations on it. On the left is the Mountain View Police Station. Further down you have the Rockford Police Station. So that just goes to show how important some roads are, especially the ones leading to the airport, are in Jamaica. I don't think they allow parties to be held at Pearly Beach. Again, I'm not sure. But the government announced that they're going to be widening the Northern Coastal Highway. That's the road that was blocked, from 2 lanes to 4 lanes between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay. And it's going to be the most expensive capital project in Jamaican history. They're going to spend more money on that road. They're going to spend, I think it's $120 billion. And they're not going to be getting a loan from foreign companies. I think it's going to be financed by the Jamaican government through the budget. So that just goes to show you how important these roads that lead to the airport are. Alright, so we just came off Mountain View Avenue. We're now at the intersection. So if we turn right, we would go into, that road will take us into downtown Kingston. And we're going to turn left. This is the central Kingston area. We're going to turn left and head towards the airport. Sorry, if we turn right, we go into the central Kingston area. This is more the Rockfort area. And the road we're on now is Windward Road. Not sure if I'd mentioned that before. So Mountain View Avenue takes you to Windward Road. Windward Road takes you to the Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Highway. And then that highway takes you to Palisades Strip by the Harborview Roundabout. And then the Palisades Strip takes you into the Norman Manley International Airport. So this is Windward Road. This section is East Kingston. Rockfort is in the East Kingston area. Central Kingston is more the end towards Raytown, where they recently renovated Port Royal Street. Okay, on the right is a Jamaica private power company. They, as the name says, is a private power company that sells electricity to JPS. Alright, so this is the Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Highway now. Turn left. We take the road towards the Harborview Roundabout where we intersect Palisades Strip. If we go right, that takes us back to Port Royal Street and back to Central Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.